Watch the video to the end. Let me show you original of Rapid Whitenizer. Hello, beautiful. This is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Global. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide 3 to 5 working days. Your goods will get to you at your doorstep. Whether you're buying product from Mommy Kira, whether you're not buying product from Mommy Kira, let Mommy Kira ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. You can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our skincare product is there, our Arabian, our Afghans, our Snow White, our Instant White, our Porcelain, our Snow White. All of our products is on the website. Also, we sell original branded products. Oh, you understand me? You can go to the website and shop. It's super affordable, super fast. Yeah, my website is very fast. If you don't know how to shop on the website, you can send me message on WhatsApp. Okay, I will send you a video, short video on how to shop on the website very fast. Okay, it's super fast. Okay, and super good. Also, you can follow me on our TikTok at Kirasecret Global. Also, our Facebook at Kirasecret Skincare. Please like and follow. Subscribe. Subscription is free. Yes, today I'll be talking about a product that everyone knows about. Everybody know about this product, and this product has been in the market for so long, more than 6 years, more than, you understand me. And then when this product comes out, yeah, we YouTubers then years ago, we use it a lot. And but some people, they still use it, you understand me. It's called Rapid Whitenizer Serum. Some people call it Rapid Whitenizer Concentrate, any of which, you understand me, you know how to pronounce it, you understand me. This is the serum. This is the Rapid Whitenizer Serum. And this serum, today, this video, we're targeting about fake and original. You understand me? Why I talked about this product 3 to 4 years back. My old video, I talked about Rapid Whitenizer, Rapid Whitenizer. Yes, I talked about it years ago. I talked about the fake and the original. Yes, because that time the product was selling very well, very fast. You know now, you know some people, they are very greedy. When they see a product is selling fast, before you know it, they'll go and produce the fake one, and before you know it, it will spoil the product. People will use it to work for them. Some people will use it to not work. Some people can lay their hands on the original today. When they want to go to the market and buy another one, is the fake. You'll be so sad and surprised because it's pricey. Yes, it's pricey now, unlike years ago. You understand me? That is a customer. A customer, likewise a subscriber, she sent me a video 4 days ago. She was so angry. You understand me? She sent me a video telling me, Mommy Kira, I bought the fake of it. The video you made 4 years ago. I think that differences you showed to us, they are doing fake of it now. I said, God, you understand me? You know, when we talk about product, telling people about the fake and the original, sometimes when the company that is doing fake see the way that we've differentiated them, when they want to reproduce, all the criteria of the original, that is what they will do. The packaging, exactly the same, write up everything. You can see it. You get me? Please don't feel bad that I'm talking too much, but I'm just trying to explain. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you. This one here with me is the original. You understand? This one here with me is the original. Some people will say, what does Rapid Whitenizer does? This Rapid Whitenizer really targeted on dark spots. You understand me? This is the original. Look at how the seal is. Look at it, guys. Look at how the seal is. You understand? I want to open it. You understand me? I want to open and show you guys everything. They wrote super spots. Your super spots remover. You're the LOT, the batch number. This original, they used to they wrote the expiring date and the manufacturing date. You understand me? When they manufacture it, and look at it, it's under. You get me? And the pack it is not dark, it's light. The pack, see, let me explain to you guys. Why are you guys stressing yourself? I don't even use Rapid Whitenizer anymore. But because of this, my subscriber that was begging me, Mommy Kira, look at what they did to me. I went to trade fair market to buy. They went to go and give me the fake. Look, I just said, okay, let me just make another video. You know, I'm the only YouTuber that I'm the only YouTuber that will talk about the product. After years ago, I will still come back. Any new update, I will tell you people. You understand me? I also did that on Madam White when Madam White was really working very well. Whitish White was really working years ago. But later, when I noticed that it's not working, you know, they work again. I came out and I said, don't buy it. It's not working. You know, they're effective again like before. You understand? I'm the only YouTuber that will talk about product and still come back and still talk about it when I notice there are some changes. Okay, look at it. You can see this one is the original is very, very pure. The color is very, very pure. Like, it is white. See here. You understand me? You know, before, the 3 years ago, before years ago, they wrote the rapid whitenizer on the body. You understand me? But now, they just look at it. Look at what they wrote here. Look at where my hand is. This place my hand is. Look at it. This place my hand is. You can see it. Screenshot it. See the logo here. You understand me? You can see the logo. The logo is here. Make sure you find the expiring date, because when you see the original, they wrote the expiring date, the manufacturing date, and the expiring date. Yes, please watch it very well. You know, some people, they used to put sticker here. You understand me? But this one is not sticker. It's like it comes with the box. You understand me? Yeah, that is it. Look at it. You get me? The color is very, very very, very white. You know, the former one before, they wrote on all the body rapid whitenizer, rapid whitenizer, but this time they did not do it like that. You understand me? This is how the cover is. Look at the cover and the red right up. You understand me? And this is the original, please. But like I would say, why stress yourself anymore? I don't know when last I used rapid whitenizer on my production. I don't use it anymore, because since I noticed the high rate of fake of this rapid whitenizer, I stopped using it, because your vendor that you think is selling original for you, when they sell the original for you this time, when next you are going there to go and buy again, there's everything that say they've missed it. You understand me? That is why I say, why must I stress myself? And you know, all this concentrate serum oil, it really works well for we promiser. It really helps us in our production. Why stress yourself? Why buy rapid whitenizer whereby you know that maybe if you come by and you go, they draw for inside, because that fake one used to draw inside. You understand me? It's kind of slimy. You understand? I don't use rapid whitenizer for going to 2 years now. You guys know I will always give you guys the better and the fastest sure plug. Okay, because now all my production, go and check it now. I use Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate. You understand? I use Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. I also use Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. I use them. I use these three together for my production. I know they will spend money again. I don't waste money anymore. You understand me? This one that today I will produce, customer go say it good. Next time I'll produce, they'll say it no work. Lie. Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. I've been using it since last year, and it has been giving me what I want. You understand me? I also talk about this product on all my social media platform because it's working. People have been asking, Mommy Kira, this one where you carry this product for, it they work. It work. You know, when you see product where they work, you can't carry for head like say you know them, but I don't know them. You understand me? This product is very, very good. You understand me? It works very well. Now there is nothing like imitation, nothing like all those. You understand me? That is why when you want to buy, they only drop their distributor number so that it will not be everywhere. You know, when a product is everywhere, before you know it, they do fake. They do all these things. Maybe I want to produce, I use them a lot. I use 3 of them. Some people ask, Mommy Kira, can I buy only one? If I put it in my production, will it work? Why won't it work? But me, Mommy Kira, as a promiser minister, they use 3 of them. You understand me? And it's working very well. Like most of the time, if I want to do my knuckle cream oil, I want to do my face cream, I want to do my white, they use this one. You understand me? My face cream, my body lotion, I use the concentrate. Also, my also lotion, face cream, soap, I use the serum. I use it like water. You understand me? It works very well. Guys, go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, Secret White Strong Whitening concentrate. Pour on for your production. whether be it face cream or be it body lotion or be it strong whitening lotion, put them inside. Don't stop wasting money. Stop wasting money. You are a formulator. You dey produce your production no dey work. I've been saying this thing, saying this thing on all my videos. You go buy and try it out. You understand me? Try it out and thank Mommy Kira. Stop buying different type of serum, concentrate, and oil. Because the more you are packing, putting plenty rich inside your formulation, before you know, your customer go to get white dot, green vein, hyperpigmentation. Close eye, buy this. Pour it, go to the website and place your order. Or you can chat the distributor and buy. Don't come and chat me and start asking me questions. How can I miss? If you're asking me for all those things, you will pay me for consultation. Go and watch all my video. I've dropped a lot of video how I miss it. You coming to my WhatsApp asking me to tell you how to miss. You will pay me for consultation fee. So that you guys will take this thing very seriously. I've done so many videos on how to promise with this product. It's good. You understand me? I don't use rapid whitenizer anymore. I will not lie to you people. I will not lie, but because of that, my customer that told me, Mommy Kira, I went to go and buy COC. I bought 2, they gave me fake. You see, I will upload the video there. You see the way the customer was showing me. She was really sad. I said, Madam, it is well, but I will just help you to talk about the fake and original. You understand me? They are doing imitation on this product. The imitation is too much. You understand me? The imitation is too much on rapid whitenizer. Likewise, skin free milk. That's why I stopped using all those products. You understand me? Yes, as you advance on, as you start promising more, you understand the business very well. You will reduce so many things and increase your other production. Like now, I increase a lot of this. If I'm producing, I use liters. Mikira, I'm the number 1, the champion. If I promise with full chest. I love you guys so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscription is free. I love you guys. If you watch up to this part, please like this video. Share it to your loved ones. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye-bye.